have a Flexboss 21 here, so let's do a quick walkthrough of what I've got here and what there is to see. So starting with the front. Side. These handles, two solid latches here for the front. A bunch of punch outs on the bottom here. Mr. Squeaker is talking to us. Got your communication module thing, which is on the So all I did was lift this up from the box, take off the styrofoam. There are a few things that were inside with it. We've got some Cat 5e cables, some mounting hardware. Got your communication module, and you've got some clamps for detecting power. Let's open it up. The inside. And then I removed the screws on this already. So there's one screw right here and two around the breaker. I'm gonna stick with that warning right there and not going any further, I'll tell you that. But this will be your Flexboss 21 that just came out. I just received it today, so thanks for watching.